The controversy between Salman Khan and Vivek Oberoi is still counted among the most talked about and controversial episodes in Bollywood history. Back in 2003, the matter grabbed massive attention when Vivek Oberoi suddenly called a press conference and made very serious allegations against Salman Khan. Vivek claimed that Salman Khan was repeatedly threatening him through phone calls. This press conference shook the entire film industry. At that time, Vivek Oberoi's career was at its peak. He had delivered several hit films and was considered one of the most promising rising superstars in Bollywood. However, after this press conference, everything changed dramatically. It is often said that this single step became the turning point of his career, after which his journey in Bollywood slowly went downhill. Many big projects were taken away from him and several doors in the industry gradually closed. Now, years later, Salman Khan's close friend and well-known producer Shailendra Singh has made a major revelation about this entire episode. In a conversation with Siddharth Kannan, Shailendra Singh spoke about Salman Khan's reaction after Vivek Oberoi's press conference and how the situation was handled at that time. Shailendra Singh revealed that shortly after Vivek's press conference, he went straight to Salman Khan's house. At that moment, Salman Khan was extremely angry. According to Shailendra, during those days Salman used to express his emotions openly. If he was angry, he wouldn't hide it. Shailendra said, "He was very angry. Earlier Salman didn't really control his emotions, but today there is a lot more calmness and control in him." Shailendra Singh further shared that he gave Salman Khan a very important piece of advice at that moment. He told Salman that instead of reacting impulsively, it was necessary to act thoughtfully. In Shailendra's words, "My only advice to Salman was that in life we should act, not react." He explained to Salman that taking any step in anger could only make things worse. It was better to stay calm, be patient, and let time do its work. In a slightly humorous tone, Shailendra told Salman, "Whatever needs to be done can be done later. For now, let's sit, have a drink, and let him do whatever he wants to do." Shailendra Singh believes that Salman Khan took this advice seriously. He did not react in haste and handled the entire situation with patience and restraint. Shailendra even mentioned that he feels Salman later ensured that Vivek Oberoi did not get much work in Bollywood. However, he also clarified that he is not completely sure about this, but judging by what happened in the industry, it certainly appears that way. This entire controversy proved that in Bollywood, talent alone is not enough. Taking the right decisions at the right time is equally important. While one press conference changed the direction of Vivek Oberoi's career, Salman Khan chose silence and patience and dealt with the situation in his own way. What do you think about this entire controversy? Was Vivek Oberoi's decision right, or should he have avoided taking such a step? Do share your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such untold Bollywood stories. And yes, take care of yourself and your family. Thank you.